Hard Candy Gold Flake is the color of this 2016 XL883N. 883N is in November, means it's a Sportster iron. Barely over 11,000 miles, just coming out of service and detail, so it's ready to go for some rides. Just came out of service and detail, so it's running and looking great. And an excellent opportunity to get into ownership of a Harley-Davidson product without spending a whole lot of money. Additionally, it's an excellent training bike. Very light, very easy to handle. Nimble and fun as well. Bike is available for test rides 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.